Okay folks, we've tarnished the tracks with this tarnished brown colour. That's a custom mix. It's roughly 40% black and 40% NATO brown and 20% red, roughly, to give this browny colour. I have missed some spots, but I'm not worried about that too much, because once we put the dust and sand all over it, it's going to all blend in anyway. Our next step after that is to go in with a little bit of black or rubber black for the rubber parts, because the front section here is all rubber pads and there's rubber pads on the inside. So this is going to be done again. You can see there's a couple of bits that I've missed where it's bended, but again, I'm not worried about it too much. So as I say, our next step is to do this track with the rubber, and then we can blend it all in. As you saw, the tank was already been painted, it's all been clear coated and it's ready to go. The turret's the same, it's all been done. I have slightly changed the effect of the front of the gun in a different shade of sand, just to change it up slightly, because I don't want it all to be the same colour. The main little mini automatic gun, again, the cover is done slightly. The gun's been painted the blacky grey colour. I have started doing some of the stowage, which is an aftermarket. I don't know what colour Israeli equipment is, so I've just gone for sandy greens, like a mixture, khaki, different shades of sand. The jerry cans are called out for, they've got black ones and they've got green ones. I do know that. So I've done this green jerry can type mixture. I've got this giant tarp to go on the back. This is a mixture of greens and browns. And we have some bags as well, which are different shades of greens and browns and sands, stuff like that. So that should be okay. I'm going to let this dry and we're ready for decals. Okay folks, we're going to apply markings now to the tank. I'm going to use Mark Fit Strong from Tamir. Got your water as normal. This is all the kit requires. It's just these two serial numbers for the side of the tank. I don't know what this symbol is, but it's obviously number 10. I think it's like H10 or something, I really don't know. So simple as, just drop your decals into the water, let them do their thing. We can get some of this Mark Fit Strong. Prep your surface, just put some on the actual tank itself, and then put your markings on. So now we just check the markings to make sure they come away from the backing. Should be okay. Yep, they have come away from the back end. One of them stuck to my thumb. I'm going to have to get this off. So the decals are ready to be used, as I say. Simply just get your Tamir solution. Serial number goes roughly, it's going to go underneath here, and just underneath this cable. So do a large section. I have worked with this Tamir stuff before. It works perfectly fine. It looked really well. You can do it with a clear coat or without. So simply slide the marking across. Hopefully number 10 can come off as well. Turns out they actually done these as individual numbers, so that's actually better, I think. I thought these was one piece. With being individuals, I think is as I say, much better, because I can line them up. So just move them around once you're happy. That looks good to me. Let this set for a second, get a cotton swab, and then you can start to rub around the markings. I'm going to take the turret off. It's easy if I take this off. See, the markings are roughly in place. They look good to me. And it's just a case of squeezing out some of the water. Do it gently because you don't want to move it. Get these air bubbles out. You see I've just moved the number 0, so we're going to have to adjust this again. That's good to me. Gently do that, and then once you're happy with the solution, give it a nice liberal coat of Mark Fit over the top. And now you just want to leave this because it's going to do its thing. It's going to wrinkle and shrink. Do not mess around with it because you can totally mess the decal.